that's the actual trail. I don't know if that's like an actual trail. I like this tree right here.
Palm tree.
No, not the, this one.
Oh,
It's like a nice place to read a book.
it would be.
Trees.
It's not really that big of an area, but
No, but it's nice at least.
it is
You
nice.
can actually walk. I think the sun came out. We might be able to go to the pool later.
Yeah,
If you want.
that sounds good. I kind of wish there was a longer nature trail though.
Yeah, same here. More pigeons. Coming? These little lilies, where are they? This way. Yeah, they're so cute. This little nature trail is super small, but it's cute, so I'm still okay with it. But hopefully on the next one, I'll find a nature trail that's a bit longer. It has a very pretty lake in the background, a bunch of lily pads and a little fountain. And on the way in, there is a little cottage, and they normally do classes in there, so there's not really much to look at, but it's still cute on the outside. So pretty. I love it here.
Candid pictures of
Nice.
the birds.
Love it. Squirrel.
We're back to the entrance already.
I know.
I don't want to leave. Can we do another one?
You want to go around again?
I want to do like another trail.
Yeah,
Just one more.
sure. Trail hopping.
Yeah.
Today's a trail hopping day. Okay, I'm going to another trail. I don't know which one, but this one was kind of small and we want to be in nature longer, so yeah.
Cars, how cute.
Okay, we're at Lake Minnehaha Park. This is our first time, so we'll see how it is. Such a pretty tree. I love it so much.
Sure.
Little playground. We're gonna go on the swings. On the swings now.
Ow.
This is so fun.
Okay, it hurts.
It's hot though, sadly. Okay, I'm officially sweating, and here is some trees in the background. Super cute. This is my sister on a rock. Okay, we're walking to a dock right now down here by the lake. It looks super pretty. So, yeah. Such an open field. You know, this is also a good spot to try and kick a ball, Alicia. But I can find other ones that are like meant for soccer.
We have a soccer ball.
I know, but we just need to find a field.
A what?
Field. So pretty. Very nice. Ooh, the clouds look nice. Should have brought bug spray. You go away, fly. Nature.